Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find options like Home, Messages, Search, Orders and User icon. Tap on User icon where you'll see categories like My Fiverr, Settings and Resources. Under Settings, you can see two options there. Select Preferences where you'll find Currency as the fifth option. Tap on Currency. There you can see you can select from the bunch of options given on a screen. Go ahead, select one of those and go back. And guys, that's it. That's how you change currency on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.